Hey Java developers, what if I told you that mastering Java isn't just about learning syntax? It's about understanding 3 decades of evolution that shaped the programming world as we know it today. From Java 1.0's revolutionary write once run anywhere promise in 1996 to Java 21's cutting edge virtual threads and pattern matching in 2023, Java has been quietly transforming behind the scenes while powering billions of devices worldwide. But here's the problem most developers are facing nowadays. We jump into modern Java frameworks without truly understanding the whys behind Java's design decisions. We use features without knowing the problems they solved. We miss the elegant evolution that makes Java not just a language but a platform that stood the test of time. I am Akash Arora and I have been on the Java journey for past 8 years. I have seen projects fail because the team didn't understand the fundamentals, and I have seen careers transform when developers truly grasp Java's evolution. My motivation, I remember struggling with the concepts like generics, lambda expression, and modules because I learned them in isolation. It wasn't until I understood the historical events, the problem Java faced at each version, the community debates, the design trade-offs, and that's when everything clicked. That's when I realized to truly master Java, you first need to understand its story, not just what changed, but why it changed, how it changed, and what it means for your code today. So, welcome to Java Evolution, the most comprehensive Java video you will ever find on this YouTube channel. And this is not just a change log, this is the story of how Java adapted, survived, and thrived throughout. So, we'll talk about the browser wars of the 90s, the enterprise boom of the 2000s, the native cloud native architectures of today. So we'll cover every major version from Oak to Java 21 and beyond. But more importantly, we'll understand the context, the community, and the code that made everything possible. By the end of the series, you will just don't know Java, you will think like an architecture who built it. You will understand certain design patterns emerged when they did, how to make better architectural decisions, which features to use and when, and how to write code that stand the test of time. So whether you are a beginner wanting to build on a solid foundation or a senior developer looking to deepen your expertise, this series will transform how you see Java. So here's what I need from you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because we are starting this Java journey next week with Java 1.0, the version that started it all. So drop a comment below. What was the most confusing Java feature you have ever encountered? And I'll make sure to address it when we reach the version in our evolutionary timeline. So Java didn't become the world's most popular programming language just by accident. It evolved, adapted, and innovated for last nearly 30 years. And now it's time for us to evolve too. This is Java Evolution and our journey begins now. See you in the next video. Thank you.